Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a door seal on this Miele Tumble dryer. If your door seal is split or damaged, it may affect the drying and will need to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to remove the door. Now, the hinge actually has a hook that keeps it in place, so even though I've taken both screws out, it's still in position. You can actually see the door seal here. Now, in order to access that and replace it, what I need to do is lift the door out. I've just put a piece of carpet tile up here just to protect the top of the machine, because I'll need to split the door in half and then I can replace the door seal. Just going to remove the filter. Then what I need to do is to remove the outer door panel. That's held in place at the top by these tabs you can see around the outside. So to release the two pieces of door, I just need to get a flat-headed screwdriver, ease it into the slots, and then just release the tabs like so. Once all the tabs are released from the top, just going to grab the hinge and then slide the door out of the outer door panel. And then I can just move that out the way. Now, to access the seal, I next need to unscrew this panel, which is held in place by these 5 Torx head screws. I can now lift that piece off and we can see the inner door and the door seal that runs around the outside. Simple to take off, just lift it out of position. Now, while we're here and before I put the new door seal in place, I'm going to give this a good clean, as it's quite hard to reach this area normally. So take the opportunity to clean it while you can. I'm now happy that this part of the door is as clean as I can get it. I can now fit my brand new door seal. Very simple to fit. There's a little lip in the door seal there, and that fits all the way around the edge like so. So you just simply put it in position and let it hook on. And just work it all the way around. You might need to stretch it a little bit just to get it over the last edge. I can now re-screw on the inner door. Before using a flat-headed screwdriver to refit the tabs at the top of the door. Once you're happy that the outer panel on the door is firmly in position, I can now replace the filter and refit the door and hinge to the tumble dryer. So there we have it, one new door seal fitted to this Miele Tumble dryer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.